Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a smooth horizontal scrolling effect in Framer, all without writing a single line of code. I've also included the free remix link in the description, along with all the images used in the asset page of this project. So be sure to watch until the end. I'm Imran from Cycloto and let's get started. Okay, first let's create a project, then click this layers, desktop, and click this layout to make it stack. Then let's add a frame by pressing F on your keyboard. Set its width 480 and height to 190. Now click this layout to make it stack and name it 1. Now press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it 4 more times and change the name here 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now select all and wrap them into a stack by pressing Ctrl Alt Enter or Command Option Return on Mac. Name it wrapper or anything you'd like. Now set the direction horizontal. Distribute, start. Now click this one and upload our images. Scroll down, fill, image, and upload our image. Click this 3, fill. For the second layer, we will add text. So click the second layer, scroll down, remove its fill color, press T on your keyboard to add text. Click this font, change it to Anton. Increase the size to 170. Now click this wrapper, scroll down and set the overflow to visible. Also on the desktop, set the overflow visible. Here is our all the images. Now select the wrapper, wrap it into another stack. Name it anything you'd like. I'm naming it container. Now scroll down, click this scroll section and name it again container. Click this wrapper, effects, scroll transform, section in view, select the viewport center and select the section container. Click this from state, change the opacity to 1, scale it 1 and click this to state. Set the X offset value minus 1230. Click this container and change the position type to sticky and set the height 2000. Align it start. Now let's add a white space by pressing again F on your keyboard and drop it to the desktop. Click this desktop, change the height to fit content. Now click this frame, set the width, fill and height 1000 pixel. Name it spacer, remove its fill color. Now let's give it a preview to see how it looks. Yes, it's working. Maybe we need to add a transition. Scroll and click this transition. Now let's see. Yes, it's working. We have done the hardest part. Now all we need to do is duplicate this entire frame, this frame. To do this, press Ctrl plus D again 3 more times and click this container, change the direction to vertical, distribute, start. Then simply adjust the X offset value. Click this second, scroll, remove this minus. Now click the last wrapper, again remove the minus. Let's preview it. Perfect. All we need to do is update the content. So click this 2 and drag it on the top. Again click this wrapper, click here and drop it here. We can set the overflow to visible to see the images. Now click this image. Alright, now again set the overflow to hidden and update this text. Done. Now let's give it a preview one more time to see how it looks. Perfect. Maybe we can change the viewport to bottom. Select all, change the viewport to bottom. Now let's see. You can take some extra time to fine tune it by adjusting this value. As always, the remix link in the description. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it and consider subscribing to the channel for more tutorials like this. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video inshallah.